Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide the mail notification content previews on the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings menu, we scroll down and from here tap on Mail. Next, tap on Notifications. Then we scroll down and in the lock screen appearance section, tap on Show Previews. Now by default it is set to always. That means when you receive notification from your mail app, it will show a brief preview of the content of the email content. If you want to hide it, you can choose Never, or you can choose when unlocked. So when your phone is unlocked but you are still on the lock screen, it will show you the content. But if the lock screen is locked, it will only show that you have notifications, but it will not show the content of that notifications. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.